Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to try this pattern. So if you remember, in the first video we had tried to make this pattern, and now this one is completely its mirror image. So you can clearly see here that firstly there are spaces, then there is this triangle. So we require 3 for loops in this pattern. One, it is for spaces, and two, as you all know of this rows and columns. So let's start our video now. Public static void main in bracket string arguments this all should be inside bracket, so just cut it and paste it inside. Now firstly we will declare our variable. Now in this for loop, firstly we will give here a, it should be equal to 1, because at the first we want here 4 spaces then 1 star. So actually in most of the cases in these patterns a is equal to 1, and now a should be smaller than or equal to 5, or a plus plus. Then in second for loop, now here we want b to be equal to 5, because firstly it will print spaces, so we are making it firstly for spaces, and then in the third for loop it will be used for printing the stars. So b is equal to 5, or you can take it equal to 4, but just then another order will be different. Now here b is equal to 5, so now here b will be only greater than a, and if you will take here 4, then it should be greater than or equal to a. Now b is greater than a and b is decreasing. Now here you can see that it is 5, so what we will do, we will give here function to it, system.out.print nothing, print space. So after printing the space, now you can see that it is 5, its value is 5, and a's value is 1 for now. So when it is 5, it will print one space, then again its value will become 4, it will print one space, it will become 3, it will print third space, it will become 4, it will print it will become 2, it will print fourth space, then it will become 1, and this program will stop, because 1 is not greater than a, means 1 is not greater than 1, it is equal to 1. So now this is our for loop for printing the spaces. Now out of this for loop we will make one more for loop, in which we will use variable c equal to 1, and c should be smaller than or equal to a and c plus plus. Now here you can see that in first type, here we will give one command to it of printing stars, print star. So in the first line it will print 4 spaces, then it will exit this for loop and enter this for loop of c variable. Now here the value of c is equal to 1 and c is 1, and it is not smaller than but it is equal to a, so it will print 1 star, and then c's value will become 2, and then it will exit this for loop. So after this we want to take our cursor to next line. So just after this for loop we will give one more command of printing to next line. So after this it will print to next line and go to the top of the first for loop. Now here a's value is 2, a is smaller than 5, it will go to the next. Now b is equal to again 5. Now 5 is greater than a, so it will print one space. Now 4 is greater than 2. Now a's value had become 2, so now 4 is greater than 2, so it will print second space. Now its value will become, b's value will become 3, and 3 is greater than a, so it will print third space. But after that it will exit that for loop because 2 is not greater than 2. Then after that c's value will become again 1, and c is smaller than a because now a's value is 2, and then it will print one star. Then again it c's value will become 2. Now c is equal to a because a's value is 2, it will print again one star, and c's value will become 3, and it will exit this for loop. Then it will again print to the next line, and this will go on till a's value will become 5, and then it will stop. So now we will see, does it work properly. So here you can see that this pattern has been created. Here there are 4 spaces, then 1 star, then 3 spaces and star, then 2 spaces and then 3 stars, then 1 space and 4 stars, and then no space, and all line is made up of stars. So like this you can make of many rows. Thank you everyone, have a nice day, and please like, share and subscribe.